In this video, I will be showing you how to run your Rust program in Visual Studio Code. So first I'll be showing you how to download and install Rust and also set it up in Visual Studio Code and run the program. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Rust. We'll be having this Rust programming language and their official site rustlang.org. Just click here, and here to the top they are having the install option. Select it, and for Windows we are having three choices. One is 32-bit, 64-bit, and another one is ARM64. I'll just go with the normal 64-bit. The download will be getting started. It is just around 12 MB in size, so just open it, and we'll be getting the CLI like this. Here it will ask us to enter Y or the N key to continue. So just press the Y key and hit enter. These are the things that's going to happen. You can just go through it, and here we are having three options, 1, 2, 3, with proceed with standard installation, customized installation. I'll just go with the standard one, so I'll just press the 1 key and hit enter. This will take some time to download and install, so just be patient for a while. After some time, we'll be getting Rust is installed now with a grid, and it says press the enter key to continue. Just press the enter key. That CLI will be closed. Now just open the command prompt, and we can just check the Rust version that has been installed to make sure that it has been successfully installed. So for that, first try running rust c space -- version, and as you can see here, I'm getting the version, which means that it has been perfectly installed. And next we can check the cargo version also. So for that, just type cargo space -- version. So it's similar to a package manager in Rust used to create projects and install stuff. So we can check this also, and we are getting the same version, so that works perfectly. The final step that we need to do before running our Rust program is we must have the C++ build tool. So for that, just search for Visual Studio build tools. We'll be having this Visual Studio build tools Microsoft. Select here, and here we are having the community download. Select free download, and the setup file will be getting downloaded. And I guess in most cases we'll be already having the Visual Studio installer, but it's fine. You can simply click on this, and we'll be getting the Visual Studio installer. Click on continue. So this will basically check if we have any previously installed Visual Studio installer available. So in my case, I'm already having. If you don't have, don't worry, it will automatically install on your system. So I don't want any of these updates. I will just click on close, and here we'll be having the option called as modify. Select it, and here if you just scroll down, we'll be having this desktop development with C++. Make sure that you are checking it, and just click on modify. So this will take some time to download and install it. Just be patient. It is done, so just click on OK. So now that we have done with Rust, I hope you already have Visual Studio Code in your system. If you don't have, just search for it and click on the first link. You'll be having the official download. If you click it, the setup file will be getting downloaded, and it's a straightforward installation. If you want to watch a tutorial on that, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. So here I am having an empty folder inside my Visual Studio Code. I will just open the terminal. So now we'll be creating a Rust project. So first thing is, you just need to run this command, which is cargo space new space your project name. In my case, I'm having it as my project. Just hit enter. So as you can see here, I'm having the my_project, the name I have given over here. If I open it, I'll be having gitignore, and I'm having the source folder. Inside that, I'll be having main.rs. .rs is the extension, and we'll be having some sample print code. Now let's see how we can run this. For that, first we need to check out into our project folder. So for that, just copy your project name. It's going to be cd space your project name. So now we are inside the main project folder. So to run it, the command is going to be cargo space run, and it's saying compiling and building over here. As you can see, we have got the output. Now let's see some of the most common extensions needed for Rust development. For that, here we are having the extensions. Select this and just search for Rust. So this is the most commonly used extension for Rust, which is Rust Analyzer. So you can simply click on install, trust publisher and install. These are the features that it offers: code completion, helping with imports, type definition, references, linting, syntax highlighting. Like, so many features are available because of this extension. After you install that extension, here itself we will be having the run and debug. So if I click on run, we will be getting the output. So let's say I want to change something. We don't have to manually run a couple of commands. We can simply click on the run button over here. So as you can see, the output is coming. Apart from this, you can even try having the code runner extension. As you can see, it helps in running the Rust program very fast. And final thing that I wanted to show you is the TOML extension. So for that, it's even better, TOML. So you can simply have it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.